race. And the race is on. Erica's Talent, Classy Pages, Precious Metal, and running for Doña Nene Gobernadora. Moving up by the red Subterranean, unopposed second last Go Marines is the early trailer. Erica's Talent by a length and a half, followed by Classy Pages. Doña Nene is racing in third by some 2 lengths alongside Precious Metal. Subterranean racing fifth from the outside Gobernadora. Rounding the far 10, Erica's Talent by 3/4 of a length, Classy Pages. Precious Metal racing from the outside. Subterranean is sneaking down on the inside. Racing towards the last 404 runners fighting it out for the lead. Erica's Talent at the center. Subterranean down on the inside. Classy Pages, Precious Metal is still 4 runners fighting it out for the lead. Erica's Talent, Classy Pages from the outside, Precious Metal, Classy Pages, Erica's Talent down on the inside, and finally Classy Pages, Erica's Talent, Precious Metal, Subterranean, unopposed Gobernadora, Go Marines, and Doña Nene comes last.